In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up TradeWiz Bot. Now, the first thing you want to do, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you click on that link, you will get directly to this website where you can start with the setup of TradeWiz Bot, the official one. Because if you search through Telegram, there's going to be a bunch of different ones, but not every single one is official. Some of them may even be scams. So this one over here down below at the link is the official one, and you can get started by just clicking it. Now, once you're on here, you want to go ahead and click Start Bot if you have the desktop app of Telegram, but if you want to start in web like me, you want to click on Open in Web. Now, after you do this, it's going to start loading, and there we go. This is now your bot over here inside Telegram. Now, first, you're likely going to have to basically start it, and then once you do that, you'll be given a bunch of things. So over here, you'll be given your Solana wallet address, your balance is likely going to be 0, and then you're going to have a bunch of resources over here, and then for a smoother trading experience, you can of course use the recommended bots, and then over here it's going to be a bunch of them over here as well as some multi-wallets. Now here, these are the basic things. Now the first thing you have to do over here is you want to click on that and click on Start. And this is going to basically give you the fresh updated version of the bot. Here you can buy and sell, you can copy trade, you can snipe, you can put limit orders, auto sells, positions, you can see your wallets, you can get help, you can see your smart wallet, you can set up auto trade, the extension, you can also get the extension from them, so you can use that on, for example, Axiom, and you can also see the settings and then referrals. Now, to actually set it up, this is going to be quite easy. First, you're going to want to go to wallet over here, and then here you can either import your wallet over here, or you can see your basic wallet over here, and then you can just withdraw over here as well, or export the private key of that specific wallet in case you want to do that. So first, you want to play around with the wallet, of course. Now, after you've done this, it's completely up to you what you want to do. So you can either go and start copy trading or sniping, you can place limit orders or auto sells, you can see your positions, you can get help, etc. Or you can just go ahead, use referrals, and refer people to their platform to actually get a percentage of what they get over here whenever they use a TradeWiz to actually buy and sell basically meme coins. So here you can go ahead and click on buy, and then once you do that, you have to basically enter in a token address you want to buy, and after you do that, you'll be able to just buy that specific token or a specific amount of that token. Okay, so of course, if you want to actually set everything up properly, you first want to go to settings, and inside the settings, you want to set your fees, your slippage fees, if you want the anti-MAV over here for the buys and sells, and if you want the auto buy and auto buy amount, you can also do that over here. You can set your presets over here, you can buy them, you can sell them as well. Of course, by that I mean you can get the buy and sell presets, and then you can go ahead and select your language over here in case you're not using the English language. And then once you're ready, go to start, and you can of course start doing whatever you want with the TradeWiz bot. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.